boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. What a week, a setup week, my friends, I believe it was, and setting us up for big time in all of our areas, my friends, whether it's getting some legislation out of Washington or getting some legislation out of Mexico or wherever we're waiting for legislation, my friends. Either that or do I hear a siren? Do I hear a siren? Oh, okay. Never mind, guys. They're not coming to get me. Not right now. There's a lot of crazy people out there, but they're a lot crazier than I am. My friends, thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. My friends, I've got some good news for you right now. First of all, today is like what is this, a change, a wardrobe change? Is the Screen Actors Guild going to pay me some money? But anyway, I'm going to show you a couple different things, my friends. Show you, this is our sweaters, our different baby knockout body armor out there, guys. Show you this. Let me show you one more. Hold on. Just showing off the gear, guys. The winter collection. That's all. You can get your sweaters, get your different outfits and different things. You see that baby knockout there, and you can get your stuff, because you guys, we're at the time of the year where it's going to be a killer, man. My reputation is on the line. And when my reputation's on the line, man, these stocks got to do something. And they are, guys. I'm going to tell you here in a second. There's major problems out there developing. There's some stuff developing I got to tell you guys about. My friends, it's a new day out there. And uranium, the world is recognizing that uranium, there's an urgent need to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. And the number, it's coming back to uranium, guys, to uranium. That nuclear power, my friends, is what's needed there. So even Russia, Turkish President Putin, both of them are looking at building something there in Turkey. So they're looking at 2 nuclear power construction projects, possibly. Also, Russia wants to build a defense missile system in what's that all about? Anyway, my friends, thank you once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my friends. It's a wardrobe change today. You guys will see me in 3 different wardrobes here, and let me get my regular attire on, guys. Let me get my regular stuff on. Hold on. So we're back to regular attire, guys. Regular attire. Wardrobe changes, man. That's pretty rough. You guys, I don't know if you guys know it, but when I was in Los Angeles, the beautiful, wonderful city of angels, I like LA. I love LA, guys. But I was doing movie extra work before, and just making money on the side and having fun, being on the sets and everything. So I went to church with a lady named, you may be familiar with. Her name is Angela Bassett. She's an actress, right? She was in ER. She was a doctor in ER, and I was her patient, for her gown patient. They just rolled me around, because I'm a little guy. I'm kind of light, I'm not really 230 pounds or 200. I'm kind of light and kind of lean guy. So they can move me around, and I walk around and stuff. But I was her patient. I loved Hollywood and stuff. Hollywood was really good. The wardrobe changes reminded me of Hollywood. Screw Hollywood. Anyway, guys, they have to, with that uranium, we got to do what we got to do, carbon neutral, this, that, the other thing. We just got to get that in check. And nuclear power is going to get this. We'll be breathing fresh air one day. Anyway, my friends, but I had a direct threat this week, and I want you to know about it. I'm serious. I'm serious too. You want some? We gonna give you some. Now the trolls. What are you talking about? Those bunch of kids playing around and whatever. No, I'm talking about Agatha Abdel. Agatha Abdel. Agatha Abdel. I pronouncing your name wrong, but you told me that you were going to take over my woman. My my I've taken her to 2 uranium bull markets, and this is our 3rd. And you think she's going to give up on me? I'm talking about Denison mines. So you saw what everybody else saw. You know, all my Fibonacci technical analysts out there saw that wave 4 retracement is just about complete, and we're headed back up to $2. Come on, who do you think I'm taking Denison to $2 and beyond? Why should I have to give her up to you, Mr. Abdel? I don't see it, man. I'm keeping my loved Denison mines. Had it ever since it was a quarter, man. It was a baby knockout. It was a baby knockout in 2005, 6, and 7. That run, it was a baby knockout when it got just before 11, before Fukushima, before things happened there in 2010, 9 and 10. It was a baby. And now it was just a baby knockout. And on top of that, I gave her the honor, and for you ladies out there, this is your hunk, right? Your hunk. I gave her the honor of being in the top 10 of how to invest in uranium now. Denison is in a top 10 in this book. So that gives you that. I've told you before. Uranium Participation Corp, that's now the SPUT is what we call it now. Well, we ran it a long time ago. It's all good. But I'm not going to be selfish. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to give up a little Denison mines, guys. As the price targets, you've got Canaccord and everybody else out there raising the price targets of all of our baby knockouts, from Paladin to Fission to Peninsula to everybody. They're raising the price targets on all of our baby knockouts, which we accept, which is good. But okay, you guys let me know. Should I be greedy and have Denison to my? Do you guys have any Denison? You have any Denison? I mean, Denison's going to 10. Well, we got to go to 5 first, but we got to go to 2 first. This wave 5 up for you technical analysis out. We do technical fundamental, and we do what a lot of people don't do, my friends. We call the companies, we talk to the companies, we go knocking on the doors. See, we mastered this during the .coms back in the day when you had a lot of paper companies out there. So we had to knock on doors and we had to do what we had to do, my friends. But Denison has already been tried and tested, and for you ladies, he is a hunk. He's the real deal, Well, you know what you ladies say: tall, dark, and handsome. Anyway, Denison is the real deal. Also, Kativa Turner, thank you for correcting me on your name and stuff. I appreciate that. Anytime, you guys know I make a lot of mistakes, so correcting me is part of. Come on, help a brother. I mean, what do you think? I've been doing this for the last 30 years? Well, I have, but anyway, Demetrius is in the house. Alvin and Glenn, you guys are on the right track with that stock there, that baby knockout. When it goes down, any pullbacks, guys, jump on it. Ares, let me tell you, I got a special. This is special for you because you are a private student, and I've given it to my private students already. But you asked me about palladium. You said, Mickey D, what do you have dealing with? Oh, it was platinum. Platinum. That's what it was. It wasn't palladium. And I did one better. I got a baby knockout that's dealing with platinum, palladium, and uranium. You guys know how I love baby knockouts that are combo stocks. You guys know I love those combos. Look at those combos on page 21. Have they done well or what? But this one is only 30 cents right now. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Valor Metals. Don't get it twisted. There's Valor Energy, there's Valor Plumbing, there's Valor everything. VAL capital ORE. Valor Metals, guys. KVLQF. KVLQF is a symbol. 31, 32 cents in the US. I mean, we're right there right now, guys. If they do anything with the platinum and the palladium, if they do anything in Brazil, if they do anything with that uranium they have in Canada, it's game on with Valor Metals. We'll find out here in the next few months, guys. As you guys know, my reputation is on the line here. And I said there's going to be a big boost in this market, a big boost now, a upward movement here. I said that it was going to be before Thanksgiving. And then I moved that up to November. Guys, we're within 30 to 45 days of an explosion. Oh my. And if it doesn't happen, I expect the wrath of. But you know what, though, guys, with the long-term uranium price being the long-term contract price being like $45 or so, we're on the right track, guys. Sure, Sput has taken a few days off. They've decided to rest and let this thing take care of itself for a minute. There are other buyers out there. They're just not doing what Sput is doing, you know. And there's lots of other stuff, guys. There's lots of mergers. There's going to be some acquisitions, and you know, just because a company buys a piece of land or something in Athabasca Basin or something, or in Africa or something, that doesn't mean they're a uranium company, guys. You know, you follow a guy like Astral was saying, you know, he got a problem. He's got a problem. As one of our private students, he's got a problem. He's got too many 10 baggers, and he was wondering if he could sell some of his 10 baggers to get some base load, because he was light on base load, and he's impressed with what James Sykes and base load has done. That's a question that he and his stockbroker and his financial advisor can answer. As you know, the reason we get in these stocks real early is because that way we can have a pullback, and we don't expect them to ever go back to some of those prices, those baby knockout prices that we got them at. For example, I mean, you know, they're all in the books and stuff, you know. Guys, we don't expect companies like Western Uranium to go back down to 25 cents, Western Uranium and Vanadium. We don't expect companies like Paladin Energy to go back down to you know, 3-5 cents, 3-4 cents when we loaded up the boat. You know, we don't even expect, even with Bitcoin going down right now, we still don't expect high blockchain to go back down. Even though it's going down, we don't expect it to go back down to 10 cents and below where we first loaded the boat up. Just same thing with some of our junior silver miners right now that are being hit right in the chest. We don't expect them to go down to some of those levels where we first purchased all of these stocks, my friends. That's why we get in them early. And like I was saying, with KVLQF, with Valor Metals Corp, when that starts doing its thing, we don't expect it to be down, to come back down to 20s, so wherever we first started talking about it. And this is old news for a lot of you guys. I just want to reiterate some of these stocks because I've seen videos and stuff. Somebody's saying, hey, he talked about this stock. It's $1.25. And then I have to put my video up there of talking about it that only 400 people saw. And it was, you know, 17 cents, you know. So sometimes you got to correct the record a little bit. And, you know, not really correct the record. Just put your version of it out there. Like we are right now, a KVLQF. This is not gonna be titled Valor Metals or anything like that unless Valor goes to $25 million, and then we'll go ahead and this is just gonna be just a video basically about I don't know. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. Love you guys. Take care of you and your family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit that button there, that bell, so you're notified about all our things. Go to the store. Hey, you saw the gear, man. The gear is going to be flying off the shelf. It's a good thing, my friends. It's a good thing because see, we have an honor system, and people like Izzy, they'll tell you about this. The honor system is you make money. And then you do a little, a donation or something to PayPal. You go to the store, you buy something. You go ahead and buy you a couple books and stuff. That was the whole thing. The whole thing. You have to make money first. I ain't gonna get your money or anything. You have to make money first. And a lot of you that have been with me, you've made a lot of money. A lot of money. Guys have made. We've had our first millionaires. So guys have made a lot of dinero, but ching ching every now and then, PayPal is open. A little donation helps, goes a long way, guys. 5, 10, 15, 20, you $50 donors. I love all of you guys. Take care, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great, great weekend. And yes, it's okay. I'm giving Denison Mines. I'm giving her an opportunity to go out and be with everyone, especially on this next wave up, which I believe today. I believe Denison. Any close, which it did close above 150 or so. That's the go ahead to $2. So sure, we're gonna go up to $2, $2.30. We're gonna come back down to 180, but still, hang in there, guys. This is a long-term, old-fashioned buy and hold trade. I know it's I know long-term nowadays is what 20 minutes. Mickey D, I traded it for 20 minutes, and I was no. This is long-term. This is baby boomer long-term. A couple years or so. Not millennial long-term, 45 minutes. No, not that long-term, guys. This is the real long-term. Love you. God bless you. I hope I didn't offend too many people. Mickey D, I was offended by what you said. What? That offends you? I mean, I can text you, send you a video of somebody that probably will really offend you. Because that's what they do. There are a bunch of shock jocks out there. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. Take care.